Welcome, in front of me I have TCL 20SE, and today I will show you how we can activate Hey Google. You have to open the Google application, click on More, move to the settings, find voice, then go for the voice match, click on the Hey Google, click Next, tap right here. In my case it's ready, but when you click Continue, you will get circle like that, and you have to say OK Google for the 2 times, OK Google, and Hey Google also for the 2 times. Sorry, it's for my private smartphone. Let's say again Hey Google. Right now it's activated, click Finish. When you use voice command Hey Google or OK Google, your assistant will be activated, as you can see. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.